gosh, I gotta put them down. Welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you're new, it's Sahara. So today I have a Temu haul for you guys. They're mostly home essentials, home decor, just some things that I needed to pick up as well. So as usual, I will put my coupon code right here for Temu that can save you up to 30% off. And I just want to take a minute to appreciate all of you guys who have been using my code, who have been using my links as well, because you know that I'm gonna give you the goods and give you the rundown about these goods. So let's just get started on this video. So as you guys seen in the intro part, I have these storage things that I put my clothes in. It has the window and then it also has the top part up here so you can see everything. And then it has a Velcro to close. I don't know what kind of material this is. It's kind of like cloth, and then it has, I guess, like the wood part in that can like, just so it's not like bending out of shape basically. I think they had like small, medium, large, and then extra large. Or extra extra large. I can't remember which size. I think it was extra large or extra extra large. One that I'm really shook about, that I was surprised that it fit, are my jeans and delicate pants. So I have like my jeans and sweatpants and all of that stuff. And another storage thing that I'll show you guys from Temu. I don't have like too many jeans because it is hard to find your size online, and then in store they don't have like a wide range of style that you like. So I got a small selection of jeans, but I fit all like so much in here. Somebody that left a review on Temu's site had said how small these are. They was like, yeah, it's okay, but it's too small. I'm like, maybe they have nothing to compare to, but all of these like storage, oh shoot, that I've ever tried, they've all been small, and you guys can clearly see how much those can fit, how much they can hold. And I did get the beige. I think they also have it in gray. My tones, I mean, I don't know how many times I gotta tell you guys about these tones. Those storage things on sale for $2. I was like, what? Because they're usually like $5. Some sellers will sell them like up to $10 each. So I got 6 of them in total, but I only have 5 right now. I thought that 5 was gonna be enough, so I did order another one, and it's on the way. Another haul. I'm gonna give you mini hauls. So this is how it's looking so far, and don't mind these up here, extra clothes and stuff like that. But this is another storage thing that I got from Temu as well. If you guys seen my short, which I will direct you to that, I just put my winter sweatpants in there, so I didn't have to worry about putting my winter sweatpants in there. Let's get this out of the chair with me because it's right next to me and I need it out. 2 different styles, by the way. These are wall decals. Decal, oh my gosh, I still don't know how to pronounce it. Whatever it is, okay? I will insert how it looks. I, of course, did not put this on my doors yet. I'm gonna put it on my doors in a vlog. Feels like excellent quality. Can't wait to know how it sticks. And I got 2 different styles because they both have words on it. One says like Botanical Garden and another one says something. The next thing I have right here is this extender. Oh shoot, I took the other side off by accident. I thought it extended more, and I shouldn't have took that off. Let me see real quick. Yeah, loosen it right here, and you put it basically wall to wall. They usually have these rods for the shower, so you can put your shower curtain. Both sides, it does have a rubber feeling to it, so when it goes up on the wall, it really grips right there, so you don't have to worry about it sliding down. I did buy it for clothes, to hang up more of my clothes because I have so much clothes. I did get it in a size too small. It came in about 3 sizes, and I got the middle size, and I should have got the longest size because what I was going for, this is not long enough. So I'm gonna have to find something else to do with it because I'm not the type that like to return stuff. We don't have time for that, okay? When I get my stuff, I like to get it, got it good. This AirPods case. One thing that I like about most of these products that I'm getting is that they have them in so many different colors. But I got this one right here in red. It is a clip-on, oh shoot, it is a clip-on case. It's also leather. It feels feels like excellent quality leather, by the way. It says Air, and if you guys remember, I did buy some AirPods cases from Temu a while back. Did a short on them, by the way. This one that says Air, I think that's Nike sneakers on it, and then I put my AirPods in this one. 700 Boost has the Yeezy Boost sneaker, and then it says Boost in the back, and then you put your AirPods in there as well. But the long AirPods that I have are in this case. The same or similar to this one right here, but this is a clear case. Don't have the AirPods in there because they're in here. And then the last case I had got before from Temu was this one that said 23 Air on it. And then you just lift it up right here. So the reason why I got this case, besides it being pretty, of course, the charging station that I got from Temu, there's one part where you can stick something in, there's another part where you can lay something flat and wirelessly charge. That's what I'm trying to say. And then the other part where you have like 3 different sections for you to stick something to charge it. These cases don't work for that. So I was like, you know what, let me just get this case right here that you just open like this. And then it has a net so that you can put your AirPods right here. This was about like $7, which is a little bit more pricier than the regular case, but of course this is a keychain, so you're getting a little bit extra for that $7, but still $7. It's under $10 for this. Hoagie Peach 70 Niacinamide Serum. The last time I bought some skincare from Temu, I really enjoyed it. It was like that green stick mask. Recently, as you guys seen in a previous haul, got the gua sha tool, and with those gua sha tools you have to use a serum, not a toner, a serum, because the serum is liquidy, but it's more of like a gel consistency. A toner, of course, is going to sink into the skin, but a serum over time sinks into the skin, like as it dries down. This is how it looks. It's kind of small, 1 fluid ounce. I have not tried it on my face yet. I'm waiting to do a short on it. The scent is like a faint peachy scent and feels super hydrating. Like I said, it does have a faint peachy scent, but it also kind of smells like plastic. This tube right here is plastic. You can see how I'm bending it. While it was transporting to me, maybe it was hot, and you know, the ingredients inside may have kind of melted to the tube a little bit, something like that. I don't know. Sometimes depending on which tube you put things in, it can mess with the ingredients inside. So it kind of smells like a peachy plastic. The PP kind of has a PP to it. I got 2 lights. This is just one of those USB sensor lights. When you walk towards it, it does automatically turn on. It does have an on switch to keep it on at all times. You may not be able to see that much of a difference because of my lighting. And then it also has an auto. I think it stays on for about 5-6 seconds. It does turn itself off, and then the auto, when you walk back to it, there's a part right here, a sensor, it will turn itself back on. And this is the longest version of it. I do have some other ones, like I think I just got one that may have been like the medium size, and I put it in my pantry. And then the other light that I have right here, this is another USB powered light. And by the way, the USB cords do come with all of these products. I'm just not showing them because they're over there somewhere. Touch operated right here, so all you have to do is press that and then the light comes on. It is a gold, then it's a silvery clear, and then it's a combination of the two. It turns off again. And then when you turn it back on, if you press and hold, it will dim the light as well. But yeah, it's so bright in the room, and it's really pretty because of the crystal design. I love this. I'll probably insert a clip or something of how it looks in my room so you guys can see it in better, I was gonna say in better lighting, without the lighting. See it go back bright. So yeah, it is bright, and I love how it looks by my wall in my room. Of course, like I told you guys, I cannot believe how I have these folded like this. I did pick up some more of these pajama dresses, nightgowns, whatever you want to call them. In my last Temu haul, the 2 that I purchased were like Halloween related. One was a Freddy Krueger one, and the other one was just like a skull type. I did get some calm down ones, shall we say. Like, these are not out there as much. Anyway, first one that I kind of bought in consideration with this design right here. Oh my gosh, when I stand by this, it's gonna look so pretty. These are not like that satin, 100% polyester. They kind of feel like a cloth, like they may be 50% polyester, 50% cotton, something like that. But anyway, moving on. So this is the first dress that I picked up right here. It's so pretty. I love the greenery leaf design. It's green, white, and then there's parts of the flowers that have like blue to them. I just noticed that it had blue. I didn't even notice this whole time that it had some blue in there. That is so pretty. Does this also have blue in here? Oh no, that's just green. And it does have this lettuce design to it at the bottom. Another green one, but this one has a black to it. And this, of course, is not like that tropical type of look that the other one has. Probably about the same length, but this has like black flowers to it. And is that blue in these flowers too? I didn't even notice that. I think it's like a blue-gray color within the flowers. It also has like this lettuce type of design to it at the bottom, just so you guys can see like a side-by-side comparison of how they both look. A blue teddy bear one, it is so pretty. This one, they're all the same size, but this one looks a little bit bigger, like it has a little bit more stretch to it. I'm pretty sure you can see that from the screen. I was like, you know what, for some of these, let me touch into my feminine side a little bit, because you guys know I'm a tomboy, so I really just be picking up things that are not like this, basically. This last one that I have right here is a long, now it says that it's a pajama dress, but I kid you guys not, when you see it on, tell me that that does not look like a date night out, let's go get brunch or something type of dress. Like this one right here is so pretty, but it's so long, and it also has this lettuce type of look to it as well. But this is a pink red, I thought it was the Sakura blossom, Sakura, is it Sakura or Sakura? The Japanese pink flower that's so beautiful. I thought it was that, but this is just like red roses, and then it has like the pink tone throughout the whole dress. I did pick up all of these dresses in a size extra large, because of course, you know, if you have you know, more boobs up here, you're definitely gonna want to go up a size, because it may fit perfect everywhere else, but you don't want it tight like around here, especially when you're sleeping at night. And the last thing that I got, oh, my eyelashes lifting up. I knew I did not stick that down right. I've been needing so many slides. Oh my gosh, I kid you guys not, I have been wearing these Adidas slides that I bought a couple of years ago every single day for the past couple of years. I like wasn't even thinking to go out and buy me some more slides, because usually I just wear like the flip-flops around the house, or if it's like the winter time, I'll wear like the winter slides. But as soon as I got these, I threw those other Adidas ones away so quick. They are men's, so all you got to do is just convert it, get your size. And I love that they have this gap right here for the strap. You can see whatever socks you may wear with these. So if you wear some socks, or you have a tattoo or something like that, I'm just thinking like out of the box. If you have a tattoo and you want it to be shown, yeah, there's a little slit right there. These are black, and then, is that blue color again? Yeah, that it's like a blue-gray. It kind of looks how this dress does with that blue-gray with the flower right there. But I love how these look. They kind of give me ooey utan, if you know what I mean. I think I might go back for the brown, because these are very comfortable. They do have a kind of like a cushion within it, but these are like a faux leather, so they feel faux leather, but they have like a cushion, so they're very comfortable. These are how the shoes look on. Again, so cute. Let me do my dance. Hey. Alright, so that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I will leave all the links down to the products below, and of course at the beginning I popped up my coupon code so you can save you 30% off. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, and by the way, I almost forgot to mention, I did show you guys in my other Temu haul as well that I got some tattoos that say lover/loser. These are kind of inspired by the It Pennywise movie, and I did say that I want to get it like a real tattoo of it, but again, this is how it looks on. Let me show you guys. So yeah, that's how the lover so that's how the lover tattoo looks on. It's so cute. It is really small. Like I thought it was gonna be like right here. That's how big I want mine to look across here, to kind of resemble how it does in a movie. But anyway, so yeah, bye.
For some reason,